Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Francis Arti Singo.
Carrie Brown Medusa.
And I'm Danilo M. Blanco Jr. Mentor Ito Stavis.
Edward El Plaza.
And our topic for today is all about reading and listening skills. I hope you enjoy it. Reading and listening skills are two important language skills, meaning they involve receiving and understanding information rather than listening. Reading is the ability to understand written language. It involves recognizing words, understanding their meanings, and making sense of what is written. Example of reading skills. When you read a story, you use reading skills to understand the character settings and message of the story.
Second, listening skill. Listening skills is the ability to understand spoken language. It means focusing on what you hear, interpreting the speaker words, tone, and intent. Good listening skill include paying attention to the speaker, understand the message being said, responding appropriately after the understanding. Example, where your teacher explains the lesson, you use listening skills to catch the important point and understand the topic. In summary, reading helps you understand information from written text. Listening helps you understand information from spoken words. Both are essential for effective communication and learning because they help you receive, process, respond, and to information accurately.
An example of how to demonstrate effective communication and teamwork when discussing the topic reading and listening skills. We show it in two parts. First is a short explanation of effective communication and collaboration mean. And second is a sample group demonstration script showing students working together. So effective communication means sharing ideas clearly, respectfully, and actively listening to others. It includes speaking clearly and politely, listening attentively, asking questions to understand better, giving feedback or agreeing or disagreeing respectfully. So team collaboration means working together as a group to reach a common goal. It includes dividing tasks, helping each other, respecting everyone's ideas, and last is work as one team. A group of students is tasked to discuss reading and listening skills for their class presentation. Good morning, team. Our topic is reading and listening skills. Let's share ideas we will create a group presentation. Who wants to start?
I'll start. Reading skills are about understanding written text. We use it when we read books, articles, or even online messages.
That's right, Laza. Listening skills, on the other hand, help us understand spoken language like when the teacher explains something or when we listen to our classmates' report. Both skills are important in learning. Reading help us get information while listening help us understand and communicate better. Excellent points. Let's divide our task.
We will explain reading skills and give an examples.
You'll cover listening skills.
We will discuss why it's important. I handle the introduction and conclusion. Is everyone okay with that?
Yes, sounds great. I also prepare a short reading activity for the class.
Good idea, Plaza. I'll make a short listening quiz for practice. I'll summarize the importance and how these skills help in communication.
Good teamwork. So everyone needs to practice our part later. And make sure we speak clearly and listen carefully to each other during the presentation.